Implants for dental purposes are an extremely popular alternative to replace missing teeth since they offer a durable and natural-looking solution. There are a variety of types of dental implants that are available, and each one has its distinct advantages and disadvantages. In this short video, we'll look at the different types of dental implants in order to help you make an educated decision on which one is the best to meet your needs. 1. Traditional dental implants. Dental implants that are traditional are the most popular type of implant, and they have an average success rate of to 98%. Implants consist of three major elements: the implant as well as the abutment and the crown. Implants are surgically placed in the jawbone where it bonds with bone with time, creating an extremely solid foundation for the new tooth. The abutment then is attached to the implant and serves as a bridge to the dental crown, which is the visible portion of the new tooth. Dental implants that are traditional in design and construction are an option with a variety of uses. They could be used to substitute one tooth, several teeth, or even complete archways of teeth. Implants are natural-looking and long-lasting solution that will be used for a long time with the right treatment and care. 2. Mini dental implants. The mini dental implant is less in size than conventional implants and are typically employed in situations when there's no bone mass enough for a conventional implant. Implants can be put in with a relatively simple procedure, which makes them an ideal option for those who wish to stay clear of more extensive procedures. Implants made of mini dental materials are typically employed to support dentures or bridges. They provide the most secure and comfortable fitting for replacement teeth. Implants can also be utilized to substitute small or narrow teeth for which traditional implants might not be appropriate. 3. All-on-4 dental implants. The All-on-4 dental implant is an innovative and newer alternative to replace a complete arch of teeth using just 4 implants. This procedure allows the quick placement of a permanent denture the same day of the implant procedure, providing patients with an entire set of functioning and beautiful teeth in only one appointment. The All-on-4 dental implant is ideal for those who've lost the majority or all of their teeth and are searching for an affordable and quick option. Through strategically placing 4 implants in specific positions within the jawbone, this procedure eliminates the requirement to undergo bone grafting and makes to speed up and make for a more relaxed recovery. 4. Implant-supported dentures. Implant-supported dentures are one type of overdenture supported with dental implants instead of resting on gums as conventional dentures. This type of denture provides greater stability and security fitting for dentures and reduces the chance of discomfort or slippage while eating or speaking. Implant-supported dentures are removed or fixed based on the needs of the patient and their preferences. These are typically utilized to substitute several teeth or complete arch of teeth. They can enhance the function and appearance of your mouth. There are many different kinds of dental implants that are available, and each one has its distinct advantages and disadvantages. If you're missing just one tooth or a complete set of teeth, there is an implant option that will restore confidence and your smile. It is essential to speak with a professional dentist to find out which kind of implant will be best suitable for your particular requirements and objectives. If you have the correct treatment strategy and the proper maintenance, implant dentistry can offer an enduring and natural solution to missing teeth.